This Greek Revival-style country house is for sale. Located in Warminster, Wiltshire, England. It offers 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. A Greek Revival country house set within 7.03 acres of landscaped gardens and grounds with far-reaching countryside views. The house offers substantial accommodation of 1,045 square meters, centered around an elegant cantilevered stone staircase. The grounds combine formal gardens, terraces, a walled garden, parterre, mature trees, woodland planting, water features, and extensive stone walling for privacy. Additional buildings include garages, workshops, potting shed, and various outbuildings. The asking price of this Greek Revival-style country house is £4,250,000.
For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.